Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find a lost iPhone even if it's dead or offline. First, open the Find My app on an Apple device. If you have Find My enabled on your lost iPhone, you may be able to see your phone's last known location in the Find My app even if your phone is powered down, offline, or dead. To get started, open the Find My app on another Apple device that's logged into the same Apple ID. And then tap the Devices tab. You'll see this tab at the bottom of the Find My screen. When you tap it, you'll see a map showing the approximate location of all the devices with Find My enabled that are linked to your account. If you don't see your iPhone on the map, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to see a list of your devices. And third, check if your phone's last known location is visible. According to Apple, the Find My app will display your iPhone's last known location for up to 7 days after your phone goes offline or dies. The iCloud website will only display the last known location for up to 24 hours. If your phone died recently and you can still see its location, you may be able to find it by going to the location displayed on the map. To see more detailed location information, pull up your list of devices from the bottom of the screen and tap on your iPhone. It will list the address of the last known location as well as when the location information was sent. And fourth, ask a friend to help you find your phone using Find My. While your friends can't help you directly using the Find My app, there is a feature that will help you connect to your iCloud account through the app on a friend's phone. This is a great option on a pinch of if you don't have access to a computer or another device connected to your Apple ID. Here's how to do it. Ask your friend to open the Find My app on their phone. Tap Me in the lower right corner of the screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and tap Help a Friend. This will open iCloud's Find Device page in Safari. And then tap Sign In and log in with the Apple ID associated with your lost iPhone. From there, you can check if your phone's location is displayed on the map, enable Notify when found, or put your iPhone in lost mode. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.